Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Scarlett Rose. For those that are new, welcome. For those that have been joining me from the very beginning, I sure appreciate you for helping me grow my channel. Hey y'all, I have another delicious recipe today. It is called Holy Smoke Barbecue Chicken Salad. And that is the recipe I'm going to be making today. I'm going to be using Gertie's premium barbecue sauce. My coworker introduced me to this barbecue sauce that his family makes. Hey, Andre Baker and the Baker family, thanks for giving me this Gertie's barbecue sauce. It is delicious. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be making this Holy Smoke Barbecue Chicken Salad. And these are the ingredients that we're going to be using today. We're going to be using some real bacon bits. We're going to be using some diced red onions, some tomatoes, some cucumbers, some croutons, some romaine lettuce, some shredded cheddar cheese. We're going to use some sesame, some black pepper, some ranch, some olive oil, and some Goya polo like bouillon cubes to flavor this meat. And we're going to be using my Insignia pot today, which is my pressure cooker. We're going to sear the chicken breast that I already cleaned and got it prepped and ready. We're going to add a little olive oil in this Insignia pot to sear this chicken and some onions. And we're going to get ready to get this recipe started, y'all. So stay tuned. All right, you guys, I'm getting ready to sear and saute this chicken breast. But before we do that, let's go ahead and get this Insignia pot heated up for us to sear and saute. I heard a lot of people don't really know how to use the Insignia pot, but we simply just turn it on, we plug it in, we hit start, and then we hit the sear and saute, and then hit start again. So while it's doing that, I already took some hot water, and I took 3 cups of hot water, and I took polo bouillon, like chicken broth, to get that ready. So when we get ready to start the Insignia pot pressure cooker, we can do that. But in the meantime, we're going to saute this chicken up first, and we're going to sear it before we cook it in the pressure cooker. So let's go ahead and season this chicken up, this chicken breast. We have about 1, 2, 3, 4, let me see, what, 3, 4, about 5 big chicken breasts that we have here. And I'm using the Tony's Creole seasoning, some Goya packets. While that's heating up, we're going to put a little bit of olive oil in here. Let's finish seasoning this chicken up. Tony's Creole, we're going to use a little black pepper. Season that up real good. Lock in that flavor. We're going to take some of this red onion. We want to put some of these red onions in there. We're going to set this chicken in here and let it sear. It's not quite heated up as hot yet, but it's going to sear this chicken. I'm going to sear that chicken in there. So let that heat up. Guys, this is what it looks like. Searing it in this Insignia pot. We want to get that chicken seared in, lock in that flavor, because we're going to shred up this chicken After I set it on the pressure cooker, after it cooks, we're gonna shred up this chicken. But this is the searing function. This is the great feature in this. This is a crock pot. This is an Insignia pot. This cooks rice. This cooks soup. This cooks meat, poultry, beans and chili, quinoa, cake, fish. And this feature on here to sear it and saute is a great feature for this Insignia pot. This is just like the Instapot, but it's cheaper and it's more cost effective. It does the same thing. All right, you guys, this meat is already seared. So now I'm getting ready to set this. I'm about to pour this this chicken broth in here, and we're going to set it. Wait, hit cancel. Poultry, and we're going to go 25 minutes and hit start. Now it's going to count down. Once it reaches the pressure cooker temperature to cook it on poultry for this chicken, it will simply just count down, and it will show you how much time we have left. It will count down to 25 minutes. So now the pressure cooker has to reach its point. So now we're gonna come back to this in 25 minutes. All right, you guys, so I misspoke earlier about telling you about my Insignia pot with the valve. It should be on sealing instead of venting. If you do not make sure that is on sealing, your pressure cooker will not reach the temperature it needs to be, and it will not start counting down. So as you can see, I have 10 minutes left on my chicken set on the pressure cooker poultry. So in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and start the base of this salad until it's time to shred up this chicken and mix it in our Gertie's barbecue sauce. So we're going to take some romaine lettuce. And again, this is a Holy Smoke barbecue chicken salad. And this is the recipe to make, y'all. And if y'all haven't already hit that like and that subscribe, hit it now. And make sure you comment. And make sure you tell your friends about me and share my page. So we're using 1 bag of romaine lettuce. And we already have some tomatoes and some cucumbers cut up. So we're just simply going to add those in here. We're just simply tossing this salad up. And now we're going to use some bacon bits. And these are real bacon bits. Just put that in there. You do it to your tasting. So we got the bacon bits in here. Love bacon bits. We're going to use the cheese. This is some mild shredded cheese. Does that look pretty? We're going to use some red onions. So yummy, 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 yummy. So we have that. We're going to use some croutons. And we're on a countdown. Woo, woo, woo. We have 7 minutes left. until it's time to take out that chicken. Those chicken breasts, those are boneless chicken breasts, by the way. Boneless, skinless chicken breasts. And when that comes out, we're gonna shred up that chicken. And get it in that Gertie's barbecue premium sauce. And again, this Gertie's premium barbecue sauce is a premium sauce. It's not your normal sauce that you would see at your grocery store for 99 cents. This is a step up, y'all. A step up. A step it up a notch. So this is really delicious. So if you want this Gertie's barbecue sauce, please Google Gertie's barbecue sauce. And again, Andre Baker and his family, they named that barbecue sauce after their late mother, Gertie. And I heard she was a wonderful cook. All right, you guys, so we got 5 minutes remaining. Countdown, countdown, woo, woo, woo. All right, you guys, my pressure cooker has stopped and the chicken is done. So now we are going to take this chicken out. We're going to hit cancel. We're going to let out this pressure. We're going to release that pressure, and then I'm going to take this chicken out. All right, the valve just released. I'm able to open this up now. The temperature has been released. And so now I can take this out. I want to show you all how this chicken looks. This is the chicken I'm going to shred up. All right, you guys, I am taking out this chicken. This smells delicious. One of my knives, and we're going to shred up this chicken really good. See that? If you don't already have an Insignia pot, get you one, honey. This is cost effective, and it does the same exact thing an Insignia, an Instapot does. This is an Insignia pot. And look how juicy that meat looks. You see how it just shreds so easily? You guys are gonna love this Holy Smoke barbecue chicken salad. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Voila. Juicy, not dry. It's moist. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. All right, so now what we're going to do now is we're going to take my Ayesha pot, my Dutch oven. We're going to heat up some of this Gertie's premium barbecue sauce in this pot. And I put this on medium heat. And we're simply going to toss this shredded chicken. So we're going to take this shredded up chicken. We're going to add it to this pot. have a little bit left over. So we're going to use this other leftover Gertie's Holy Smoke barbecue sauce to add in this. It smells delicious, you guys. Take one of my wooden spoons. Just make sure that's mixed in here in that sauce really well. This is what the shredded up barbecue chicken looks like that I just made. We have our salad already prepared. So we're just simply going to take some of this chicken and we're going to lay it across this salad. Lay it on top of this salad. All right, so now this is the finished product, you guys. If you haven't already, hit that like and that subscribe. Hit it now and make sure you comment and share my page with everyone. This is the Holy Smoke barbecue chicken salad. I hope you enjoy it. Doesn't it look yummy? I hope you all have a blessed one. Have a great day. Happy harvest. See you next time. Bye.